Somebody said to me, look, I'm not ready to go to market right now. I'd go, that's fantastic. At least you're starting to do some research. But the very first thing I want to do is let's discover what that next step would be. If everything falls into line and you're ready to make the move, where are you going to go? What are you going to go do? And it's a real negative for a lot of realtors when you've got a great listing on the market, but you've got a very unmotivated seller. So the very first step for me is we've got to find motivation for those that aren't ready to do it right now. It will speed the process up. And then phase two, most people look at this as how do we make your home ready to go to market? And I think that's the wrong verbiage. And so the way that I word it is, hey, look, let's look at all the things that could pose objections to people buying your home. And when I say pose objections, things that make them want to feel like they could bring the price down. Got a dark feature wall, it's going to cost me 10 grand. So we're going to drop our offer by 10 grand. People think in big numbers. So even just by wording it with, let's look at how we can remove as many objections as possible. And the reason I word it that way, it's about what we can do together, not about what you need to spend on your home before we put it on the market. And then phase three, this is where most people think we're sitting down to price the home. The word pricing for me is very dangerous. And so my words behind this is let's sit down and work out what the most effective marketing strategy is going to be for your property. Let's get some motivation. Let's remove the objections. Let's discuss what the most effective marketing strategy is for your home. And let's see if that lines up with exactly what you're trying to do.